Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, after my last video we did drop a little bit further. That all confirms my current perspective that Bitcoin is still going to head down lower. Yesterday's rally was only a corrective move. As already indicated before, we needed to see a 5-wave rally to confirm an overall low in place. Hasn't happened, therefore we haven't changed our perspective on the market. The idea remains that we are in a wave 2 correction. The idea remains that the yellow box is going to be the launch pad, the jump off point for a 3rd wave rally into the 40k region. First of all, however, we need to complete this downside structure, and I currently see an ideal target of around 27,470 to 28,300 to complete this overall correction. That's sort of what I'm watching for. I don't primarily expect it to max out the support area completely. I don't expect it necessarily to come down all the way to 26,280. This is still my wave count where I am looking at an ABC structure with the C wave being an ending diagonal in a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The wave 5 would also be an ABC structure. It looks like we're currently dealing here with the A wave, yeah, and could shortly see the B wave retracement. So it would be something like that: A wave, B wave, C wave. We're dealing with very choppy price action here. And if you might ask, why ABC? By the way, I need to change the wave degree here a little bit. ABC because we are dealing with an ending diagonal. So the subwaves are corrective. However, there is also another wave count that we can discuss. It doesn't really change much. It just cleans it all up. In an alternative wave count, we might be working on a WXY structure. I did explain that before and highlighted to you that it could be that Bitcoin is doing a WXY structure. It's something I'm just tracking at the moment. Depending on what we do, I might make that a more relevant pattern. It might actually change it to this pattern. So in this WXY structure, let me just do that. I would consider that due to yesterday's rally, okay? But it hasn't given me enough evidence to consider it with a major focus on, right? So with, to call it a primary scenario. But depending on what it does in the next 1 or 2 days, I may change to the WXY structure. It doesn't really change any targets, but it just cleans up the structure a little bit. And if it is a WXY structure, then we are basically now in an ABC structure, because we would say the wave W bottomed, the X wave topped, and we're now in the Y wave, and the Y wave is an ABC structure where we could say, okay, so what did we do? We moved down in an A wave, we rallied in a B wave, and we're now coming down in a C wave, and that would be another 5-wave move. So again, changing that to yellow, and maybe changing the wave degree, making it a bit larger. So yeah, WXY, and in the Y wave, an A, B, C. And the B wave would have been a flat structure. Absolutely possible, and also a fairly likely wave count. And looking at this structure, what would be key Fibonacci extensions to the downside? So what we could do, we could just take the length of the wave W, go to the high of the X wave, and then we're looking at the 1-to-1 ratio as a key target, 28,100. It does lie in our key target range that I just mentioned. Another way of looking at it is to take the length of the A wave. We go to the top of the B wave. And what does the 1-to-1 ratio give us? It gives us 28,420 here. I find that a bit too short, because we wouldn't, in my opinion, complete the wave count like that. But we've got the 1.618 extension that goes directly to the 61.8 retracement at 27,460. Very good overlap here. So yeah, it is this range between 28.3k and 27.4k basically where I'm watching for an impulsive reversal back to the upside. There are 2 patterns I'm tracking. I will not leave this one on the chart just yet. It will depend a little bit on how the chart is unfolding, but it doesn't make a great difference anyway. Only in the micro structure, really. And yeah, overall, even here, we would expect at some point here a short counter reaction, a short corrective rally again in a B wave, and should then continue the pathway to the downside. And yesterday's rally just and today's drop visualize so well why it is so important to wait for that 5-wave move up. If the downside structure looks fairly incomplete. We had a lot of bullish commentary yesterday in the video already. I mean, don't get me wrong, I am bullish on Bitcoin, and I still see the yellow box as a jump-off point for higher, but I just don't think, without evidence, that the downside structure looks complete. Again, the low could be in because we reached the yellow box, which means that we have done enough in terms of retracements, but we haven't really done enough in terms of the actual structure. So yeah, I guide you through every step here anyway. If you're interested in a few more updates, during the day, quick updates in between videos, basically 24-hour coverage nearly, then check out our gold membership. Here you can get daily signals and market updates in addition to the videos. So you get, if anything happens, you will know. Okay, but check that out. You can find the links in the description. Besides that, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And again, check it out. You find the links in the description. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.